Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative, and I'd like to say good morning and thank you guys for watching and liking and subscribing and commenting on my videos. Today I have a clearance video from Tuesday Morning and HSN, and I think like two things from Michael's. Two things from Michael's are just these envelopes, and these are the pocket. You can see that pocket envelopes right there. And this is like a creamery, right? And this is a craft. They want clearance for $1 and some change. So it folds out, so it's like a trifold. And you could also put a card in there, two different sizes. One's like a, let me see, this one's a 6x6, I believe, or 5x5. And this is the 5x7. They don't say. But anyway, they're pocket cards and envelopes. Since it was on the bucket, so I can get those without having to make those real quick. Now from Tuesday Morning, this paper pad was on clearance. Two-sided, thought that would be cute. And then this was 40% off. That's just plain on the back. So those two paper pads. They had this graphic 45. Which one is this? Travel one. Celebrate. And that was $1. Double-sided. You've probably seen that before because it's been there for a while. And this was $1.25, I believe. And this was the sorted tags. But how they swap? $1 and some change. I can't remember what it was. I think this one was. This is for my friend. She got this for her grandson. This one was $4.99, I think it was. These make the Project Life cards. So everybody's clearing out right now. And these are actually my friend, because I already have these two, but I'm just showing it because she told me I can put, excuse me, there's stuff in this haul. And these were $1 each. One is, well, both of them are Celebrate. I thought she had another one. But anyway, so these were $1 and some change. And there is another one somewhere around here. I don't know, is that $1? Anyway, so next I got some items from HSN. I was watching Sonia. Hi Sonia from House for Less. And excuse me. Try not to lose my voice. I got some stuff off the HSN channel. Everything was $10. Excuse me. Well, one pack of Boston folders was $12. This is the they had the Anna Griffin Word and Boston folders, which I liked when they came out. Yeah, I sound like a man. I'm just praying my voice ain't trying to go. So it's 4-pack. Let me see if I can put something behind it. Oops. This one is Mom, Madre, Mama, Mother, Mama. So that one's on the Boston folder. This one says Dad, Father, Papa.
Hi.
Pop and Padre.
Hi, Grandma.
Hey, sweetie. Good morning.
I always get in your video.
I know. Cherish, adore,
some of them I don't.
dearest and love, amor. It's a nice fancy script. And this one says happy birthday party, celebrate, festive. But you really can't see. But anyway, that's what those say. And you know they're pretty because they're anagram. Can you use your remote control car in another room? I'm making a video. Have you here? Go in the other room, please. Thank you. We got a morning visitor with a remote control car. So this set, I think that was the one that was $12.95 and the other one was $10. And this has 4 as well. What's the name of this one? This one is, what's the name? This one's called Decorative Scenes and Boston Folders, and this one, here's a piece of paper. was called Embossed Words. So this still may be up there. Javier. Come shut this door. So it's kind of like two embossing folders. The one you've got like a curtain down the bottom and floral up the top. Can you shut my door, please? Just shut the door, please. No, you can go out. You ain't got to come in and just saying shut it. Bless you. Of course, she's going to stay in.
I don't know why it's not working.
Okay. Maybe the battery's dead. And then there's some floral and some dots. So each one of these have like a scene. So this has got the fence, bless you, and roses. You really can't see. I'm sorry. Maybe I'll start again. Still can't see it too well. And it's early in the morning and the sun is right here. It's 8 o'clock. And then this one also has, bless you, floral at the top and some at the bottom. So I apologize, you really can't see it.
Mom, I guess I have a lot of charges.
But you can go on HSN and you can check those out. They also had a couple stamps and die sets. So these Vicky Boltons came in a 2-pack. They came with some ink, and I think it's pigment ink. I don't know. I don't think it's archival. Bless you, man. It doesn't say. Maybe it's under the sticker, but it's probably pigment ink. But anyway, so they came with that. For $10 you get this, and then you get 2 stamps with the dies. So these are the sets I got. So this one says, love you, sweet, best wishes, sunshine, hello, and then the butterflies, stamps.
Wait, this button does something. I think it makes it flip.
Okay. Go try it and go try it downstairs in the kitchen. And I forgot which two go which two. I'm sorry, because he didn't got me distracted. And this other one says, good times, so gratefully for you, thank you, choose kindness, laughed often, hello friend, good times. Yeah. So you get all those stickers and the dies. Again, 2 with the ink for $10, and this is another set. Happy birthday, you're special. 1 through 9, 0 through 9, celebrate, and the ampersand and some flowers and the dies. And dear friend, you mean a lot to me. With love, thinking of you for some branches and some script. This script would be really nice, something multimedia. But, and again, another ink pad. So for that, I mean, you know, you're looking at, for $10, you can't beat that. That's like $3.33 each. All right, and this last one, last stamp set, by LDRS, and this one was 22 pieces, so it came with the stamps, and this is Everyday Critters, and it came with the dies. So 11 stamps and 11 dies, and that was $10. And they're cuties. Little animal stamps. So you got send me happiness your way, hooray, reach high, wish big, you always lift me up. So it's cute.
What is wrong with it?
And the last thing I got from them was they had a 10-pack of stamps from We Are Memory Keepers, and for $10, even in Hobby Lobby I can't get them this cheap with 40% off. But well, these are basically,
I think it has a lot of charges.
Okay, these are the ones that you use to enhance your script with your alphabet board, but you're not necessarily limited to that. So I already owned this one right here. Love you.
Can I show him some stuff in your room? These?
No, yeah, on the next video. And then, but they had these 2, which I didn't have. So that's why I got it. This one you can use, it's 3 different punches out right here, 3 different shapes. And this basically is like a 5H punch, so you can kind of use this just a circle punch. But it's the extra circle punch, which you can use on something. And it's the extra one of these, so I can give this away. Probably like the hand give this to somebody in my crop or something, because one of my friends started melting because it's kind of heavy. But this one that I didn't have, plus the and this one that I didn't have. So this one I already had. So I got all 3 for 10. And I don't know if you can see it because that lighting is terrible right there. But anyway, on the H, you see the 3 different ways. It's like a caps, diamonds, and a thin cap that you can use. Don't knock my computer over, honey.
I'm just trying to...
Well, you can't play a game right now because I'm videotaping. And then this one has like the arrows, the chevron arrows. So you can use that for a lot of stuff. And the other one just has the dots and you can mix it up. So that was my HSN haul.
You want me to cut it
They
down?
have a lot of items. $1 or less. That's usually when I buy stuff from HSN. But anyway, thanks for liking and subbing. And thanks for watching my video. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. Bye-bye.